How to recover hacked Facebook account without email and phone number. So if you want to recover a hacked Facebook account without the email and phone number and claim your account back, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Google or your browser. After that, go with search and search for recover hacked Facebook account. After that, you need to go with the first option, which is recover a hacked Facebook account, Facebook Help Center, which is under www.facebook.com. And after that, here you need to scroll down and then you need to just simply go with visit www.facebook.com/hacked. And here you need to select an option, any option that you're comfortable with, and then go with continue, which is on the bottom. And now go with get started. And it will check your email address, it will check your name, your birthday, your phone number, like your personal information. It will check your username, your payment methods, your apps and the pages that you've liked and followed, the people that you've added or unfriended, or your post, comments, your logins, and everything. After checking all of that, and if your account is hacked, then it will proceed with the following steps. But if your account is not hacked, then you can just simply go and keep your account secure. So you can go with your account, you can go with continue, and after tapping on continue, you can change your password. And after changing your password, you can review your email addresses, and you can go with your post, your page admins that you've added. Like for example, if I go with continue, then I need to change my password. After changing your password, it will take you to the next step. And once you follow those steps, after following, your account will be secured and you'll be able to recover your hacked Facebook account without your email or phone number. Make sure that you're using the device that you've created with, in which you have your secure ID key, so that it will be easy for you if you don't have access to your email or your phone number. You'll be able to recover your hacked Facebook account with your passkeys. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.